Hey guys, it's Moneymakers. This is one. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites from where you can download graphics as well as images, and by editing those images, you can create Redbubble designs. Now, these are copyright-free images, so there won't be any problem for you. So now let's jump into the content and let's jump into our computer screen. Our computer screen, and now you can see this is the first website. It is known as GratisSo Crafty. Now this is really awesome website because there are a lot of graphics which are available on this website. You can just download these images, edit these images, and you can create a lot of very good Redbubble designs out of it. Now this website is really good, and I have found some really great quality graphics on this website. So you can definitely go and check this website out, and definitely there are some very high quality images available over here. Now the second website is known as j13.com. Now all the links are given in the description. Now the thing is that there are a lot of images on this website, but the thing is that some of the images you may find them a very limited number of images, and this website gets very less updated, but still there are some of the images which are available over here and which are good nature images. So definitely do check this out. If you like some images, you can utilize this also. Okay, now the third website is known as Public Domain Archive. Now there are really some good amount of images and some really good images available on this website. Just go to it and check out. Okay, it's called publicdomainarchive.com. There are some good, really awesome images which you can download, utilize for your Redbubble designs, and they are really good. Okay, now the next website is going to be I Am Free. Now this website has a lot of ads, but the thing is that there are some good images available on this website regarding different niches. So you can see there are different niches which are given over here. Just check out all those niches. If you find something appropriate for your design, then definitely go and check out, because there are some icons which are available on this website, so you can utilize those icons for your Redbubble images. Okay, now the last website is going to be Vector Stock. Now this is really some really awesome website. There are a lot of awesomely designed vectors on this website. Definitely go and check this out. Okay, so it is a paid website, but there are a lot of free vectors which are available over here, and if you really want to just start over here, you can just go and just subscribe to it. Okay, but the thing is that free vectors are also available. You can also use those free vectors, as well as you can see, just click on over here this free vectors, and you can see all these vectors are available for you absolutely for free. Just download those, edit those according to your will. Take the subscription. I recommend that you take subscription of this website, and definitely you will find a lot of things to create a lot of designs for your Redbubble from this website. I hope you have got some value out of this video. So guys, these are the websites which you can utilize. Download some images, create some graphics out of it, create some t-shirt designs out of it, upload it to Redbubble, make some money, and all the process is sorted out for you. I hope you have got some value out of this video. Press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.